Introducing the sleek and powerful 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan R-line 2.0tdi D7F. With a stunning blue exterior, 2-litre engine and automatic transmission, this estate Jeep is the ultimate combination of style and performance. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and collision avoidance braking, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and more. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specifications, you can trust this vehicle is in top condition. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information on making this impressive vehicle yours today.